How to delete group in Splitwise app. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you on how you can do it so you may follow the step-by-step process. So first of all, you can just go ahead and launch your Splitwise application and basically log in into your account. And then once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. So on your home screen of the Splitwise application, you will be directed directly towards the groups section, groups tab. So you can just go ahead and locate up the group that you would like to delete from your group screen. For example, this group right here. So we just go ahead and open up the group, and once the group is opened, at the top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a settings icon, a gear icon. So just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will show you the settings of your group. So all you gotta do from here is you may scroll down, and at the very last option you should be finding an option of delete group. So locate that up, tap on it, confirm it. After that, click on OK, and once that is done, the group should be deleted from your screen. So that is it. You may also follow the same process if you want to delete the curve and Splitwise as well. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.